As promised, here's a video of drilling and tapping with my Milwaukee 4203 magnetic drill press. It's forward, reverse, variable speed. I just tacked a piece of little channel to my table and already drilled a pilot hole in it, so we're going to do that. Sometimes the taps slip in the chuck, so it's better if you look at a drill and tap chart, go a couple thousandths over. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it right. We have a 1/2 inch on 13 tap and the 27/64 bit that you're supposed to use with it. So I'm going to put this phone in a vise and watch away. You'll notice I play with the potentiometer on the drill as I go, and that's kind of how I send the tap through. Alright. And that's it. It's tapped. Takes about 2 seconds, as you can see. Let's get a bolt. Spin it through there. Good to go. Worth every penny, makes life a lot easier. I actually got this thing on Craigslist with about $1,000 worth of bits for $650. So that's the only reason I have one. Otherwise, I have a pretty basic setup in here. Just a hobby guy.